This dual-fuel range cooker from Rangemaster is a fantastic addition to any household looking for a stylish model with incredible features for effortless cooking. It has 3 cavities including a separate grill and 3 fan ovens. The main fan oven has a 73-litre capacity and the second has a 67-litre capacity, so there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 5 gas burners on the hob with cast iron supports for fast and precise cooking, ideal if you want lots of pans bubbling away at the same time. The Wok Burner is great if you enjoy cooking fresh food fast. The large ring delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for quick and even cooking. So whether you're deep frying or steaming, the versatile Wok Burner is the perfect choice. This main electric fan oven provides a fast, effective and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavors. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf, and because the hot air is constantly moving, flavors won't transfer, so you can make a variety of dishes at the same time. If you're looking for a stylish range cooker with incredible features for effortless cooking, this dual-fuel model from Rangemaster is a fantastic addition to your household.